Louisiana beer reviews. Rahr and Sons Ugly Pug Black Lager. Brewed in Fort Worth, Texas. Don't know if they're brewing it at the Miller Brewery there. This beer is a Schwarz beer, a black lager. Schwarz beer, 4.5% alcohol, 26 IBU. Uses two-row in Munich and chocolate Carafa Special 2 barley malts, all that, and pearl hops. The brewery was established in 2004. This beer gets a good rating on Beer Advocate, a 39 out of 100 on Rate Beer, and a 32 out of 100 for the style. So not really terrific scores, but let's see how this holds up against, say, the Shiner Black Lager and the Guinness Black Lager. Okay, I bought this in the Woodlands, Texas. Get a lot of smoke, certainly. Put this in my Anheuser-Busch tasting glass, which I bought in St. Louis earlier this month, and hopefully that I won't shatter like the one I bought last year. Not much of a head, very thin beige head, and a good sunlight today. A reddish, with the sun shining through, it's red, pretty clear. I mean, it's dark red, but you could see through it. Bubbly, very bubbly appearance. Now from that direction, it's dark brown with the sun shining at, but through it, it's red. Okay, ruby red. Let's go with the aroma. Okay, it's very faint. The aroma is not strong. It's subdued, and you get a lightly roasted barley malt aroma. And that's about it, really. Let's go with the taste. It's like dark roasted coffee, a little bit of chocolate, kind of like toast. Dark, you know, when you burn some toast. A little nuttiness, mild bitterness, really. The mouthfeel is pretty light and watery. The finish is crisp, clean, refreshing, mostly dry. Has a snappy finish. The drinkability is very high, really. I guess this is on par with the Shiner Black Lager. This is a B. I think I'll give this a B, a good beer. Shiner Black Lager might be more like a B+, and that Guinness Black Lager, really, the more I drank it, I think it was more like a B+ or an A- even. That's a controversial beer, that one, the Guinness Black Lager. Okay, if you're looking, and there's a little nuttiness in this flavor too. If you're looking for a mild, pretty low alcohol, dark roasted beer that you could drink a bunch of, this would be something to pick up. They don't sell it in Louisiana that I'm aware of, and I don't know where they sell this stuff. This is the only Rahr and Sons beer I've ever had, but I didn't even see any any video reviews for this on the internet, so this may be the first one in the world. All right, it's good. That's about all I can say about it. Straight across B. Laissez-les bon temps roulés. This is a good beer, and I'm gonna end this review by saying y'all come on down to New Orleans.